Everybody loves Günter, no matter. Snakes, lizards, rats, mice, bats, Bravo Alpha Tango Sierra, butterflies, worms, and grasshoppers. We had grasshopper invasion here just one year ago or 2 years ago. There have been hundreds of baby grasshoppers jumping around me at my other place, and there was 2 or 3 times a really huge one, a parent, you know, an adult, fully grown grasshopper. And yeah, what can I say? Günter must be a most dedicated person. Barry is always saying that. I pass the microphone to the most dedicated person, Barry, and for WFU. I haven't been talking to Barry in over 2 weeks now, so it will happen this week. I swear to God. Yep. Da, 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 da. Look how peaceful. How peaceful they are. There's people going like, you know, they're just like, they're knocking them to the ground and stepping on them and killing them. What for? I mean, every one of us is different, you know. There's people that they just find these creatures disgusting and nasty and whatever. I mean, but you don't have to kill them because of that. They're not going to hurt you. So if you don't like them, come here. Get to Uncle Günter. I washed my hands, they're not stinking. Thank you. Look. He's quick. So I just set him down somewhere here. There's a lot of these. He's probably looking for a green leaf. Oh, no, he fell down. I'm sorry, I did not do this on purpose. Are you okay? Say Roger, Roger. Roger, Roger, Günter. Okay. Yeah. I'm glad you're doing fine. So let him just keep on moving. Yeah, I've been already 4 or 5 of them here earlier ago. I could live here. It's a beautiful day.